Welcome to Review Rumble. The best RC Seaplane is probably one of the most exciting and versatile remote-controlled aircraft you can get your hands on, offering the unique thrill of taking off and landing on water, transforming any lake, pond, or even calm ocean bay into your personal runway. Imagine the freedom of soaring through the air and then smoothly gliding onto the water's surface, a dual-purpose adventure that opens up a whole new dimension of RC flying possibilities, making it a standout choice for hobbyists seeking an extraordinary experience beyond traditional land-based planes. Number 5. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone for Kids and Beginners. Experience more excitement than ever before with features like toss to launch, circle fly, and thrilling 3D flips. It's designed to be loved by kids and offers adjustable speeds for every skill level. Our user-friendly design includes altitude hold for stable hovering and headless mode, making flight intuitive. This ensures a worry-free flying experience for beginners and young pilots. Enjoy up to 21 minutes of flight time with 3 included batteries. Never worry about a dead battery again, and fly with confidence thanks to the low battery alarm. This mini drone is perfect for taking the fun anywhere, parties, school, or even on long journeys. It's the ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any holiday occasion. Safety is paramount with a full propeller protection guard. This keeps children safe from spinning blades and protects the drone from accidental damage. To avoid interference when flying multiple units, simply power on and pair each drone and its remote control separately. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone. What we like. This mini drone offers a variety of fun aerial tricks like 3D flips and auto-hovering for stable flight. With 3 batteries included, you get extended flight time, making it perfect for kids and beginners who want to practice and have fun without constant recharging. If you're looking for a user-friendly and entertaining drone for indoor fun or a gift, this is a great choice. What people say. The Seaplane has a durable construction that can withstand minor bumps and crashes. It features a powerful motor that allows for smooth and stable flight over water. The remote control is intuitive and easy to operate, making it suitable for beginners. Number 4. DEERC RC Plane 2.4 GHz Remote Control Airplane. Experience the joy of flying with our easy-to-handle remote control airplane. Its advanced stabilization system makes it perfect for beginners, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable flight every time. Crafted from durable EPP material, this aircraft is both lightweight and resilient. It's designed to withstand minor impacts, offering a reliable and fantastic flying experience. Take command with the simple 2.4 GHz radio system, offering precise control in 4 directions. Enjoy the freedom to fly up to 164 feet without worrying about channel interference. Equipped with dual motors and powerful batteries, it delivers impressive thrust for vertical takeoffs and climbs. Get up to 24 minutes of flight time with 3 included batteries. Its compact design allows for tighter turns, making it ideal for flying in yards and local parks. This makes it a fantastic gift for aspiring young pilots. Whether you're taking your first flight or looking for a fun, stable model, this aircraft is designed for ease of use. Enjoy the stable flight provided by its gyroscope technology. What we like. This RC plane features a 6-axis gyro stabilizer for incredibly easy flight control, even for absolute beginners. Its durable EPP construction means it can handle minor bumps and crashes. If you are a beginner looking for a forgiving and stable first RC plane, or want extended flight time with 3 batteries, this is the one for you. What people say. It's easy to fly right out of the box thanks to the 6-axis gyro stabilizer, and the controls are super intuitive. The 3 included batteries give you plenty of flight time for real fun, not just a quick spin. Durable, lightweight, and forgiving during crashes, great for learning without frustration. Number 3. BEZGAR TX-123 RC Speedboat. Get ready for thrilling adventures on the water with this high-speed remote control boat. Its portable design makes it perfect for lakes, pools, and even the sea. Don't let waves or wind stop the fun. This boat features a unique design that allows it to self-right after capsizing, ensuring continuous play. Everything you need is in this convenient suitcase. It neatly stores the boat and its accessories, making it easy to take your fun wherever you go. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of exhilarating fun with the included dual batteries. A helpful alert will let you know when it's time to head back. With its bright LED lights, you can keep the excitement going even after the sun goes down. Navigate with ease and add a cool visual element to your night drives. Host your own races without any interruptions. The advanced 2.4 GHz transmitter allows multiple boats to operate simultaneously without interference, up to 300 feet away. Looking for an unforgettable gift? This beautifully packaged remote control boat is an ideal choice for kids and adults alike, promising hours of entertainment. What we like. Experience thrilling speed with this RC boat, reaching over 32 kph, and fearlessly tackle waves thanks to its 180-degree capsize recovery. It also comes with a convenient portable suitcase for easy transport. If you love high-speed water action and want a boat that's easy to handle and carry around for summer fun, this is an excellent option. What people say. Plenty of power, speed and does tight turns. It's self-right itself too. Battery lasts maybe 20 minutes or more. It seems really well sealed against water intrusion. There are 2 sealed covers, so there is redundant protection. The way the motor is water-cooled is impressive. The trigger does indeed control the speed. It's super fast, very stable, and easy to control, even for beginners. It has a great design and includes 2 rechargeable batteries, a carrying case, and spare parts. The battery lasts longer than expected and works perfectly in both pools and lakes. Number 2. DEERC RC Eagle Plane RTF Airplane. Experience effortless flight with our advanced stabilization system. It makes flying incredibly easy, even if you've never piloted a remote control aircraft before. Crafted from lightweight yet durable EPP material, this aircraft is built to last. Its resilient construction ensures it can withstand minor impacts, providing a worry-free flying experience. Take to the skies with confidence thanks to the 2.4 GHz radio control system. Enjoy a generous control range of up to 500 feet, allowing for freedom in your flights. With 2 included batteries, you can enjoy up to 22 minutes of exhilarating flight. Double the batteries mean double the fun in the air. This aircraft features a stunning, lifelike bald eagle design with intricate details and a vivid paint job. It looks and flies just like a real eagle soaring through the sky. Get ready to fly right out of the box. Simply give it a gentle toss, and it's ready to take flight, mimicking the natural movement of a bird. What we like. This RC plane is designed to look like a realistic bald eagle in flight, offering a unique visual experience. It also boasts a 6-axis gyro stabilizer for stable flight and an impressive control distance. If you're looking for an RC plane that's both easy to fly and visually striking, especially for those who love birds of prey, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The seaplane is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. It flies very smoothly and is stable in the air. The remote control is responsive and has a good range. Number 1. DEERC RC Amphibious Tri-Phibian Aircraft Z62. Introducing the DEERC Z62, an incredible amphibious aircraft designed for fun on water, land, and in the air. With 3 channels and 2 batteries, you get over 24 minutes of thrilling flight time. This versatile RC plane can take off from the ground, be hand-tossed, or launch right from the water. It also features 2 speed modes, perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Enjoy a stable and interference-free flight with its 2.4 GHz radio system. It includes a low battery alert and an out-of-range warning for added safety during your adventures. Constructed from durable EPP material, this aircraft is designed to withstand impacts. Its waterproof design and self-righting capabilities mean more fun and less worry, even over water. This ready-to-fly model is perfect for everyone, from kids to adults. It's easy to set up and control, making it a fantastic gift for aspiring aviators and seasoned flyers. What we like. This amphibious RC plane is incredibly versatile, capable of taking off and landing on water, land, and air. Its waterproof design and ability to maneuver even after capsizing on water make it perfect for water adventures. If you want an RC aircraft that offers the most varied flying and landing options, especially near water, this Tri-Phibian model is ideal. What people say. This was easy to fly out of the box. I played with it for 2 days and it's so much fun. Don't let the fact that it's made out of foam turn you off either, it's actually very strong. I crash landed it in water, got it stuck in a tree and recovered it with a long pole. Still functioning like new. It has a gyro, and steers by differential throttle so it won't do a full loop or roll, but you can do some stall spin type maneuvers. The range is impressive, you would likely lost sight of it before it goes out of range. It has a surprising amount of power for 3.7 V1s, and flies quite well in calm conditions. The built-in gyro system does a good job of keeping the craft in a stable attitude, but it is very fun to fly in high alpha, stalled. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.